Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to view contacts on X. First of all, you have to give access to X application to your contacts. Let's do that together. Open X application on your phone and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu, let's scroll down to settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to go to privacy and safety section. Now let's go to discoverability and contacts, and under the tab contacts, find option that says sync address book contacts. Please make sure that it's on or turn this on. After this, X application will ask you to decide if you want to share all of your contacts from your address book from your phone, or you can select specific people from your address book. So do that, and after that let's view contacts. So you have to go to search tab, which is explore tab at the bottom side of your screen. Now you have to scroll until you reach who to follow section. It looks like this. Let's tap show more button to expand this list, and please make sure that you're at the page who to follow right here at the top. And if you scroll to this page, if you browse this page, you might see different people from your contacts. They might appear in this page right here, and for example, if you want to follow someone, you just have to use this black follow button next to every single person that you would like to follow. So yeah, that's basically how you can see your contacts on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.